Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite, recipe made with potatoes, vegetables, and chicken. So guys, it's very simple. It requires just few ingredients. So if you want to learn how to make it, just continue watching, okay? And of course, trust the process. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of us. All right, guys, without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. First, we are going to start with the potatoes. So get the reasonable amount you want to use and peel them. Next thing is to cut them up, wash, and pour into the pot. Add in some water, just like this, and some salt as well. Now we're going to cover it up and allow it to cook. Few minutes later, guys, let's check on the potato. Guys, at this point, it is ready. Please don't cook it until too soft. Make sure it is still a bit strong, okay? Now moving on. In a pan, go in with small amount of your vegetable oil, followed with some butter. Once it is heated, go in with your onions. Yes, reasonable amount of onions. Allow it to fry for a minute, okay, or till flavorful. Next thing is to pour the potatoes into it. Yes, just like you're seeing on the screen. Now we're going to toss it, okay, with the onions. More like onion potato. Yes. So toss it around, allow it to fry for a few minutes. Yeah. Please, while stirring, be careful. Do it gently so you don't break up all the potatoes. Yes. We are not making mashed potato. All right. Chicken back, guys. At this point, it is ready. Take it off the heat and set aside. Now, moving on. In a pan, go in with some butter. It is time to fry our protein. Yes, we are using chicken. So we've added our chicken. Next is your salt, some seasoning. Now we are going in with some paprika powder, a teaspoon, a full teaspoon of paprika powder, and nicely stir to well combine, okay? You can decide to marinate your protein before now, yeah. You can add all of that, cover it up for some time to marinate before frying, but I choose to do it direct. Okay, whichever one that works for you. It's a dinner I'm making and I want to be fast and quick about it, okay? So if you have the time, marinate your protein before frying. So guys, this is us at 8. Now get the other side, turn the other side to get them fried evenly. Checking back, guys, at this point, it is looking like what we want. Yes, you know what you want. Yeah, if you want to get it more dry, keep frying, just to your preference, okay? All right, guys, this is what we are looking for. So go ahead and take it off the pan. All done, guys. Now, moving on to the next stage. In that same pan, same oil, go in with your ginger garlic paste. Okay? And give it a quick stir. Allow it to fry for some time. Let's say a few seconds, yes. Now, go in with more butter. This recipe requires butter. You need to have enough butter, yes. So, the next thing that goes in is your chopped carrots. The reason why we added carrot first is because it is hard to compare to other ingredients, okay? So you're going to fry it a bit before going in with the rest of the veggies, which is the bell peppers, green, red, the yellow, and your onions, okay? So go in with your vegetables. You can choose to add other different veggies, yes. or take out from these ones. It's your choice to make. But these ones I use, guys, it is super okay. Now, let's season it. So we are going in with our mixed herbs. Okay, go on and add a teaspoon of it. Stir it in and leave it to fry for a minute or two. It's a vegetables, you don't have to fry for a long time, okay? At this point, we're going to introduce some liquid, some water. Next is a teaspoon of curry powder and a teaspoon of paprika powder, followed by a teaspoon of your chili pepper, okay, just to give it some heat. Next is your seasoning, followed by salt, okay, in moderation, please. Be careful of the seasoning and the salt so you don't over salt it, okay? Now give it a nice stir and bring it to a boil. At this point, guys, let's test for salt because it is very important you test your food, okay, to see if you can adjust the salt or not. Now this is us testing for salt. Guys, we are adding extra salt. Yes, just add it bit by bit till you get the taste you're looking for. All right, it is perfect. And now we are going in with our fried chicken. The parts of the chicken I used is chicken thigh fillet, yes. But you can choose to use the one you prefer. I prefer this one, that's why I used it. We've added our chicken. The next thing is our potato. Yes, our onion potato, guys. You can actually eat it this way. It tastes good as well. So, guys, add your onion potatoes and stir everything to well combine. Oh my, this is looking good, guys. Can you see how delicious this meal looks? You know what? I'm not going to say much. Yes. Like I said earlier, it is one of my favorite. I just want you to try it out and find out why I said it's my favorite meal. Checking back after allowing it to cook for a minute or two. Guys, can you see this goodness? Oh my word. Someone is salivating somewhere. I know. Guys, this is a delicious and healthy meal. Do not sleep on this one, oh. Yes, try it out. I assure you, you're going to love it. And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes. If it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Turn on your notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my video. Thank you. All done. Now you take it out the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious mouth-watering potato vegetable chicken recipe is set. Please give it a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. All right, guys, now that we are done cooking, the next thing is to plate it and, of course, test it. Because why not? Tell me, what is cooking without eating? All right, guys, it is time to plate our dish, so you do that with me. This is looking good, lovely. Try it out, guys. And also, let me seize this opportunity to appreciate all my G's, my newest and returning subscribers, guys. I am grateful. Thank you. Please stick with me and go nowhere. Love you all. We are still dishing it out, guys. This is a meal you will love. I don't know how to say it. You will eat and still ask for more. All right. We've come to the end of today's cooking, guys. Yes. Thank you so much for joining me in creating this delicious meal. Okay. And if you found it interesting, go ahead and like it. Share it and as well comment. Leave a valuable feedback for me. Don't forget also to follow and as well subscribe. Until I meet you again, happy cooking. Bye.